Hi, I'm Bob Martin with Ideal Products, world leading manufacturer of wood and plastic laminate lockers. And today we want to talk to you about, this is our model Ideal 2000 series model N-3. It's a standard double-tiered frame of lockers. The frame is very wide. These are just a little bit, they're 21 inches wide. "24 inches deep," and the frame height is, I would say it's 7 feet, 84 inches. So these are really big, very common these days, larger size locker. This Model 3 is equipped with a dial combination lock set by Master Lock Company. It's a spin dial 3-digit combination. There's 5 different combinations available for permanent use. So these are going to be issued to an individual to use over and over, keep their merchandise in for a long period of time. So these are special in that we're using the same plastic laminate finish on both the inside and the outside of the door, as well as the interior finish. So that's unique. And we can do that with any color you want. This is a particular Formica color. It is white drops. And we've got a 1 mil PVC edging to match that on these. We've got each locker is equipped with a double prong ceiling hung coat hook, and we've got 3 European concealed hinges on each of the doors, and a matching bottom locker.